Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crochet by Stephiie. Today I'm going to be crocheting a cat beanie. I haven't done it before, so this is my first time actually doing. It's not going to be my pattern because I never done it before. Down the line in the future I'm planning to tweak it a little bit more, but I want to know the basic of it yet, so that when I do my own version of it, it will be a little bit different. So I went on YouTube and saw some tutorial, and I think the one I end up with is a Beanie crochet. I'll put her name here somewhere. I'm going to do her version first, but I'm also going to be attempting to try different of a crocheting pattern. I have my notebook down to take some note to be like reminded when I decide to tweak it down the line in the future. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started with. Okay, so now that I finished writing down the material and stuff that I need to pay attention to when it comes to things, we're going to find out the color. She's going to do 2 colors, so we're going to do the exact thing, but I have some yarn that I haven't used for like, I don't know, for a long time, so we'll use that. I don't know if I should go with white and blue or green and blue or green and white. I'm thinking green and blue, and I have yellow but this is not enough, but let's do green and blue. So let's get started with this. She said to use a 5.5 millimeter hook. I don't know if I should use this one because this one may not think. I'll put it next to it. When you see this hook, you can tell that this is longer than this one, and I prefer this one than this one. The reason why I prefer this one because it's long, and I don't hold my crochet at the top here. I like holding like in the middle, but with this one is small. I like it because it doesn't like slip from your hand, but this one it does because it cannot get like sweaty in a bit. I don't know if that's the right sentence, but it does, and sometimes I had to keep washing my hand every single time, so I will keep both next to me just in case. I will try to start with this one, but if I'm able to get a longer one of this, I may get it. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do some chain to fix around our head, so I'm not going to count it. I'm not bother counting my chain. I'm not going to count my chain because I'm doing that to fix around my thing. So
if you had to choose one universe to live in, which one would it be out of these 3 and why? Game of Thrones universe, like passport numbers. Jesus. Just randomly dropped in Portsmouth.
Randomly dropped in Portsmouth.
I mean, the location doesn't matter. I don't know how I'll do it right here, right now.
Yeah. So you need to convince people to give you their passport number off the top of your head. I thought about it yesterday and I know what my answer is.
Yeah, you've had time to think.
Yeah, exactly, I've had time to think.
So guys, first of all, I need to let you guys know that when I was doing my cat beanie and you saw I was trying this lady tutorial, I didn't like it because it was getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and I was like, no, this is not working. So I took the whole project off, like literally scratch it, take the things from scratch, and I started doing a different version of it, which was started at the end of the beanie and then work your way down. So at the top, work your way down. So that's what you see here. Wait, let me fix that. That's what you see here. So I literally started doing this and then walk all the way down. It's actually big. It look big. My head is not that big. I don't know why I always do my things big. Even though I measure my head, it always end up big. So the ears are actually big than the things because I started narrow down the thing. So when I try on, it look, it doesn't give me cat beanie. See, my ears are big. I don't mind this big cat beanie. I need to do like more couple rows. I'm thinking of doing 5 more rows to be a little bit thicker here, because sometimes I like it get down into my eyebrow. I don't know why, but I like it when you reach my eyebrow. So I'm thinking of doing 5 more, so it will be a little bit here. But I don't know. And then I done another mistake. Mind you, this is my first cat beanie I'm doing right now. So I done another mistake is here, down here. I missed a stitch. I was like, by the time I realized that, I wanted to go back and do it again, but I was like, let's not. But it's been bothering me every time I see it. Like, it's been bothering me. So I'm going to finish with this beanie because I'm tired of it already. But I am going to do another cat beanie, but this time I'm going to do it properly. I'm going to do it smaller than my expected measurement, because I feel like this yarn is stretched a lot. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue watching my passionate cursing on YouTube and just relax.
This is not my whole order. I think I ordered 4 colors of Lily Sugar and Cream as just kind of like a, I don't know, I was just looking through all the colors and I was like, I want to buy some newer colors so that I can try them out. So I bought colors that I have never tried before. Maybe I have tried this before, but like maybe like once. Definitely not often. This is called Overcast Twist. It's black, white, and gray and cream twisted together to look like this. It's definitely interesting. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with it. I mean, they're all Lily Sugar and Cream, so like my main go-to would be tops, but I can always try out some other things, you know?
Finally, I finished. I finished with my kitty. That's it. That's it. I had enough. I had enough of this beanie. I keep saying that, but look how it is. It's so not cute. It's like this part of it, as I'm doing correctly, but this part was so big. So first time actually doing a beanie, and that's it. Let's just finish with like the end part. Okay. That's my little, oh my gosh, it's not bad. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's not bad. I love the color. It's sky blue. I think it was baby blue. I don't know, it's sky blue or baby blue yarn, and then mint green yarn. It's so cute. And I done a reverse, like meaning it's opposite side as well, so it's kind of giving me like nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty this is. Do you see the color? Oh, it's to die for. I love it. I think I'm going to be in this phase when it comes to beanie, to try to find like the right size measurement, because like, listen, when it comes to measure things, I'm a little bit off on my size. I think every time I measure things, I need to go a size down instead of a size up, because every time we do a size up instead of a size down, because I always see that it's small compared to what I think my head is. So, or I think it's big compared to what my hair look like. So right now I'm actually finding out the fault that I did, and I love it. This is the end of this video. I will be doing more beanie, so I will show you guys most of them, but I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to buy this beanie, I will have it on my Etsy shop, so go in the description. I'll have a link to my Etsy shop. You can buy it. Any of the products you see on my website, on my channel or my YouTube channel that you see so far, I have it for sale on my Etsy shop. So, but if you have a item you want me to try to make. Leave that in the comment down below and I'll try to make it. Like right now I'm working on the top, and I don't know if this video will come before the top. I feel like this video will come out before the top video will come out, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate any support you guys show me, and it will show me that people are interested in what I do. Bye.